Hello and what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. And in this video we will learn how to install Android operating system on Windows 10 using VirtualBox. Okay, so I know a lot of you have been using BlueStack and I guess sometimes it really runs very slow, and I'm sure some people will be thinking if there is another way of installing Android OS on your PC. So today's video I will teach you how you can run Android OS on your PC to avoid a lot of complications when using BlueStack, because BlueStack is very slow. So I have to figure out a way that can be dealt with. So I went on to read more about Android OS and I realized that you can actually run Android operating system on Windows, and it's just like after running it or installing it, it's just like having an Android tablet. Yes, that's how it is. So what you will need for the installation is one, make sure you turn on visualization for your PC. Very important. If you don't turn on visualization, you can't run or install any operating system because it's going to be on a virtual machine. So you will need to turn on visualization for that reason. Two, you need to go to Google Chrome or maybe any other browser and search for VirtualBox download. Make sure you download VirtualBox and follow the procedure during the installation and try to install that. Okay. Then after installing it, that's all you need. And also try to go online and search for Android 10 iOS. So today's video we will talk more about Android 11. So you just go online and search for Android OS and pick the choice that you want. And don't worry, I'll also put the link to the download on the description section. So let's just get right into it. So first, I have my VirtualBox here. So what I need to do is to double tap on it. Click on next, next, next. Warning, you can just continue with yes and install. Make sure you confirm this. The process is very simple. Install. Now you can finish this up. Welcome to VirtualBox. It's very simple. I guess this is the simplest compared to VMware Workspace. This is very simple. So now that we are in VirtualBox, go to new and type the name for your operating system. Well, you can choose any name. So I'll choose Android. Okay. Now, if you are doing this on a MacBook, make sure you change Microsoft Windows to MacBook. And sometimes it automatically detects the kind of machine you are using. If it's Windows, it is Linux. If it is Linux, it will show here. And if it is mark to also show here. So I'll just have to maintain this. And since mine is Windows 10, I have to change from Windows 10, and mine is also 64-bit. And I'm sure most PCs are 64-bit. 32-bit spaces can't run your java. So make sure you change that. Scroll down. So this is Windows 10 64-bit. So I just tap on it. Then next. So I have 2 GB RAM here, but my PC has an 8 GB RAM. So I'll just consider increasing it to maybe this amount. 3. And then, but make sure you pick a RAM size which is below your actual RAM. So if you have a 4 GB RAM, you don't need to enter maybe 4 GB RAM here. When you do that, your physical machine or your host PC can't run the virtual machine. So it has to be below, which is why you have a mark here. So if your PC has a 4 GB RAM, this mark will have to shift backwards. If it has like 32 and advanced, this red mark will be ahead or will have some little space for it. So this green section is very safe when you tend to choose the RAM here. And this red space actually tells you that it's not safe. Okay. And I'll click on next. The recommended size of the hard disk is 50 GB. So make sure you maintain this. Come to the second one or leave the default setting as it is. So you just go on create. Don't do anything, just leave it. Leave it. Don't touch it. So we have 50 GB here. I'll just leave it as it is. Continue. Okay. So right now I'm done with the first phase. Now you need to go to the settings and make some advanced settings too. So I'll just go to settings. Here is okay. Come to advanced. It's okay. So we just come to system. Now I have my 3 GB here. It's more than 3 though, but we assume it's 3. Come to the processor. You can increase it if you want. So I have 2 cores here. And you go to the acceleration. You allow the default setting. Display, remote, recording, it's okay. Storage. So when you come to the storage, this is when you need to upload your iOS. So you just come down and select the name you give at the beginning of the video. So Android, make sure you check that everything is right here. Then you come to empty. Then live CD. So you make sure you select this round this. Choose or create a virtual optical disk. Choose a disk file. We have the iOS file. That's the disk file. So we just have to click on this. Then since my iOS file is in the download section, I'll just have to go to my download. I scroll down. Now I have it here. So just select that. Open it. They come to the audio. Everything is okay. Let's take everything is okay. Serial. Okay. 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 I'll just click on continue. Then I have two options here. Three options. Normal start, headless start, and detachable start. But we are now about to install Android. So we need normal start. So I'll just select normal start. When this window very soon. So you can use with this installation, either you use the live CD that you can run Bliss OS without installation, especially if you want to try this process. That's what you do. Or you can come down a bit. So now it's booting OS. The process will be very slow, especially if you have a slower PC. Okay, so we are done installing it. So finally, we are in Android operating system. So we follow some simple setup rules and boom, we are done. So this is Android 11 for Bliss OS. So finally, we are on Android 11 operating system. So that's all for today's video. If you have any question, please comment down below and please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you very much.